Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share a fresh and elegant appetizer. Cucumber with avocado rolls with creamy cheese. It's perfect for a party or a special welcome treat. Let's make it together. We choose line, fresh cucumbers so we can roll bigger and nicer appetizers. Cut off the ends, then gently slice the cucumber into thin ribbons. Be careful not to tear them. Using a peeler makes it so much easier. Just press gently down the cucumber and the ribbons come off smoothly. After slicing all the cucumber, place the ribbons aside and dry your board with a paper towel. Remember, the cucumbers should stay dry. Lay the cucumber ribbons between paper towels to keep them dry while we prepare the filling. Add cream cheese and finely chop the avocado. Make sure it's ripe. It makes and blends much easier. My avocado wasn't very ripe, so I sliced it. But if yours is softer, you can easily mix it with the cream cheese. Finely chop the fresh dill. Now add the chopped dill to the cream cheese. Now season the mixture with salt and black pepper. After mixing well, add a clove of garlic to the mixture. Now add a few drops of fresh lemon juice to the mixture. Our filling is ready. Mix well and set aside. Now let's get back to the cucumber ribbons. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Our cucumber ribbons are well drained and ready to be rolled. Take a small walnut-sized amount of filling. Place it on the cucumber and gently roll. You can secure with a toothpick or serve as is. Roll the cucumber ribbons the same way and arrange them on a serving tray. Just like that, a tray full of elegant appetizers. With love. From my kitchen to yours. Super tasty. I love it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.